Boys, I'm about to sing the new shoe song. New shoes, new shoes. Boy, Nike makes some good shoes.
First things first. Before we do anything, you already know what we're about. Every time we do a video, we have to save money. We have to have water bottle talk. So, grab your water bottle. Untwist that junk. I'm gonna put this inside my water bottle. That's 25 bones. 25 bones inside my water bottle. Save money. Make money, save money. But just know, if you make money, the money you make can't make you. And when you save money, the money you save can't save you. Shout out to the Chicago kid, Vic Mensa, man. That's classic Vic Mensa right there. Check that out. Look them bars up. Check that out. One of my favorite songs. But anyway, what up, YouTube? Your boy is tired. Tired as hell. Just got out the gym. A little hoop session. Some slight. Nothing major. So as I was shaking and moving, I ran across this little shoe store up north in Addisonville. You know, it was decent, you know, something, but instead of me just like, you know, trying to tell you what it was, let me give y'all a little B-roll, let y'all see what I was seeing. And then after that, we'll come back to you in front of me and we'll discuss what I picked up. Hold up.
This a whole new way, big, come play with a shark. It's a whole new day, I can't complain so far. I've been doing my thing, so niggas know who we are. If you don't got no drive, bitch, you can wait in the car. That ain't cool, your man know that I've been inside that cat, but that nigga can't even fight like that. How it feel knowing I had your bitch fucked her real good and gave her right back on my fuck love? I'm a pimp, I'm a flip inside the bitch like the tree, cut the stem and fuck again. Man, that's a I down made a whole bitch. New play, I done came so far. We got a whole new thing, let's make a whole new start. You be my down ass bitch. You be my down ass bitch. Cause you's a down ass bitch. You's a down ass bitch.
So, my thoughts on Skywalker. So Skywalker is a consignment store. I got a little information on the store. They haven't been around that long. It's been almost a year now. It's a pretty cool store. Looks pretty cool on the inside, but I don't know. You should check it out. You know what I mean? Maybe able to find something you're looking for. They had a few things up in there. Had some Just Dimes, a whole bunch of Yeezys, a whole bunch of Gatorade 1s and 6s. So yeah, it's a pretty cool store. But it's just so far from where I'm at. It's like all the way north. So, like I said, the store is located in Addisonville, right across the street from my old high school, actually. So, Bulldogs, send Bulldogs. Gotta be a dog. That was kind of cool to go back up there and see my old spot or whatever. All right, cool. So here's the pickup. This is what I picked up from the store. Something slight, nothing major. Air Max 97. This is my first pair of Air Max 97s. Never had a pair before. Pretty clean shoe. All black. I guess triple black. No black air bubble though. You know what I'm saying? But that's cool though. Something fresh for me. I think it's pretty neat. So this is my first pair of Air Max 97s. I'm not sure. Is the tongue always like this? Just always connected? I don't think so. I don't know. But I thought it was pretty sweet. If you look at it, got some suede right here, you know, good quality, you know what I'm saying, that suede action, you know, Nike check, right there, nice like a nylon material right here, you know, but hey, it's an Air Max 97, I don't know, what more can you say about the shoe? I guess I'm not really good at reviewing shoes, I guess that's just not my thing. But this motherfucker is fresh though. This is gonna be real clean. Can't wait to put this joint on. You know what I mean? Yeah. Anyway. So, like, comment, subscribe. I know this was like a corny video. I ain't had too much going on today. Like I said, I'm tired. I'm trying to get back in the gym, trying to lose some weight. I'm trying to lose 50 pounds, 50 to 60 pounds. Thinking about doing some juicing. I don't know. I might bring you guys along for that. I don't know. So just trying to get some content. You know, it's not too many things popping out here right now. I know they got those Vapor Max that just came out. I wasn't really feeling those, so I didn't want to waste my money on buying something like those. I'll put the pictures like here, maybe here, and maybe here, and maybe here. You know, just some Vapor Max that came out. Like I said, I wasn't really feeling those. But, yeah. Like the videos, guys. Peace. I'm out of here.
Know that money makes the world go round. Money makes the world go round. But don't forget it when you
My pops told me make money, but the money you make don't make you. Make money, but the money you make don't make you. Make money, but the money you make don't make you. Make money, but the money you make don't make you. Say money, hope the money you say could say you.